Hi, welcome to the CBR family. Now that you've completed your enrollment with CBR to preserve your baby's newborn stem cells, there's only a few more steps to take. If you haven't already, please go online to www.cbrclients.com to create an account, register your kit, and complete your enrollment forms. You may have already received a kit from your doctor. If you haven't yet, we'll send one to your home. One thing to remember is to please keep the kit at room temperature. Now, this is the exciting part. Let's open up your collection kit. It's very important that you get very familiar with all of the contents in it, but don't worry, you're not going to hurt anything. First, slide the sleeve right off the kit. You'll see two seals. Feel free to break them open. As you can see, there are two doors. Just break the seal between them, and that's it. Inside these doors are the healthcare provider instructions and the parent instructions. The parent instructions are for you. You should read this over and share it with your birthing partner because it has important information for the day of delivery. Next, look in the pocket on the right side. You'll find the data collection sheet. The top section needs to be filled out and signed. If you've opted to save your cord tissue, it is crucial that you follow the instructions provided on this data collection sheet and fill it out accordingly. This is crucial information for our laboratory to receive upon arrival with your collection kit. Behind the instructions are the materials for the cord blood and the cord tissue collection. These are sterile, so please do not open either of the items. This is the pouch that your doctor will use for your cord blood collection, and this is the collection cup for the cord tissue. These last items here are your maternal blood draw tubes. Condensation could occur inside of the tubes, and that's normal. It's very important that the hospital staff understands to include these in the kit with your baby's cord blood and cord tissue. If we do not receive the maternal blood draw tubes along with your kit, it can impact how you may be able to use your baby's newborn stem cells in the future. Now that you're familiar with your kit, you can put it with your hospital bag for the big day. Remember not to store your kit in the car and to keep it at room temperature. When the big day finally comes, make sure you give the kit to your doctor, doula, and nursing staff. Let them know if you are going to be collecting the cord blood only or the cord blood and the cord tissue. The collection is a seamless part of the process and will happen after your baby has been born. Once the doctor performs the collection, they'll hand you or your birthing partner the kit. Make sure your birthing partner is prepared for this step. Look inside the kit and make sure everything is in there properly. Look for the cord blood, the cord tissue if collected, the maternal blood draw tubes, and the data collection sheet. If everything is in there, then the kit can be sealed up for shipping. As you can see, there are seals on the top of the box and on the bottom. Break both of these seals and close the kit into a cube. The purple flag here is going to allow you to seal the kit properly. Pull the purple flap up and smooth it over like this, forming a perfect cube. Once this is done, you or your birthing partner need to call the medical courier, Quick International. They're available 24/7. Their number is located right here on the back of the kit. When you call, let them know that you have a CBR collection kit to be picked up, and they'll ask you for your room number. The courier should arrive within 4 hours. In the meantime, remember to keep it at room temperature. Once a courier picks up the kit, you'll be able to log into your CBR account and use the Track My Kit feature. From here, you will be able to track your baby's newborn stem cells all the way to our laboratory in Tucson, Arizona. Once we receive the kit, we'll send you an email letting you know we received it, and a CBR representative will call you about 3 weeks after your baby's birth to go over your collection results. And that's it. Thank you for choosing CBR. If you have any questions, call your CBR representative and we'll be able to answer any questions. Congratulations on your new addition.